Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today in this video I am going to explain exercise 10th E and exercise 10th F. Especially exercise 10th E because exercise 10th F has the questions similar to exercise 10th A, 10th B, 10th C, 10th D and 10th E. So this exercise 10th F can be done by you yourself. So now exercise 10th E. In this exercise you are going to study word problems based on arithmetic progression based on AP. So some examples are there. It is not a big topic, small topic it is. So through some examples you will understand which type of word problems you are going to study, and after solving these examples, you will be able to solve all the questions of exercise 10th E. So you see first example 23. A sum of rupees 8,000 is invested at 10% simple interest per annum. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. First of all, it is the question of simple interest, and you have studied in class 7th, 8th, 9th. So in simple interest case, you have to find the interest of each year, means interest at the end of first year, interest at the end of second year, interest at the end of third year, and so on. So like this you have to find the interest. Principal you are having 8,000, rate of interest 10% per annum, okay, and time they are not giving because you have to find interest at the end of each year. So you see the solution. In the solution you can see interest at the end of first year, P into R into T upon 100. P principal is, here formula is given, you can see P into R into T upon 100. So this is the formula. Principal 8,000, R rate of interest 10%, T 1 year upon 100. So you are getting 800. So this is the interest at the end of first year. Now interest at the end of second year, if you want to find, so in place of time only 2 years you have to put, because at the end of second year means 2 years, after passing 2 years you are finding interest. So in place of time t you have to put 2, means in previous case you have put 1, now you are putting 2, so interest is coming just double 1600. In the same way, interest at the end of third year means 3 years, so time, this time value of time you put 3, so interest will come just triple 2400, 2400. So like this you can find the interest at the end of each year, and so on, dot 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 you can put. So they are putting, you can see they are putting sequence formed by the interest of consecutive years 800, 1600, 2400, and so on. So sequence they have made. One more part is there in this question, you can see, does the sequence of interests at each at the end of consecutive years from form an AP? If yes, write its first term and common difference. So just before I was showing to you, this is the sequence formed by the interest of consecutive years. Now you can check this is an AP, because if you want to take the difference of any two terms, so it is same throughout. So yes, it is an AP. First term is 800 and common difference is 800. 1600 minus 800, 800, 2400 minus 1600, then also 800 will come. So common difference 800 and first term 800. Now one more example is there. You can see in a school, students stand in a row. If 30 students stand in first row, 27 in second row, 24 in third row, and 6 in last row, find how many rows are there and what is the total number of students. Two parts are there. First of all, number of rows, how many rows you are making, and how many total number of students in all the rows. So first of all, sequence you make, sequence formed by number of students standing in different rows. So in first row 30 student, in second row 27, in third row 24, and so on, and last row, in last row 6 it is given. So this sequence is made, this sequence 30, 27, 24, and last term is 6. In this sequence you can see this sequence is AP, because you can take any two terms, difference of any two terms, and you will see that difference is coming -3. So it is an AP with first term A equals 30 and D equals -3, and last term is 6. And last term formula I told you, last term A plus n minus 1 into D. In last videos I told you. So here you can put the value of A, value of D, and last term 6. So you are finding n equals 9. So it means that there are 9 rows. 9 terms means there are 9 terms means 9 rows you are making: 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, like this. 9 rows you are making, and total number of students in 9 rows you have to find. It means that you have to find total sum. So sum of students in different rows. So you can apply the formula Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So n by 2, n is 9, 2a is 30, into D is n minus 1, n is 9, and multiplied by D is -3. So you calculate it. So it will come 9 upon 2, 60 minus 24, 9 upon 2 into 36, 162. So it means that total number of students in 9 rows is 162. So 162 students you are making a stand in rows: in first row 30, in second row 27, in third row 24, in fourth row 21, in fifth row 18. So like this, 3 less. So in last row 6 students will be there. So such type of problems you are going to get in exercise 10th E. And in exercise 10th F, as just in the starting of the video I told you, it is the mixture, it has the mixture of questions from exercise 10th A to exercise 10th E. So after getting this video, you can do all the questions of exercise 10th E. I hope you have understood these two problems, and if you have understood, then you will be able to solve all the questions of 10th E. And after completing exercise 10th E, you have to do exercise 10th F, and if you have any doubt you can ask. So thank you and have a good day.